What is up, my friend? I am Kendra Perry, online business coach for health and wellness coaches. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and run a slideshow presentation from within Canva. So if you don't know what Canva is, oh my God, you need to get it. It's a graphic design platform that literally makes making graphics so easy. You need to get it. And what's really cool is you can actually create a very professional and very beautiful slideshow within Canva, and you can actually run it from Canva. So you don't need to download it. You don't need to put it into Google Slides or PowerPoint. You can literally do everything from Canva. And so this would be really great if you were doing an online course, a program, a workshop, something like that, a webinar, and you can literally do this all from within Canva. So I make all my webinars in Canva and I run them during the webinar from Canva, and I just find it really easy to work with. So in this tutorial, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how to do that. All right, so we are in my Canva account right now. So I definitely recommend getting a pro account. The paid account, I believe it's like 12 or 13 bucks a month. It is 100% worth it. You will get access to more templates and just more stuff in general. So highly worth it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to search presentation. And this will come up here. This is the one we want, the 1920 times 1080. And now it's going to give you all these templates, which is really cool. And depending on your style and what you want to make it look like, you can choose so many different templates. The ones here show that there is some like video slides in them, so you can definitely choose that. So I'm just going to choose this one as an example. And it's going to load up in here. And basically it gives me all these slides. And what you can do now, this is why you want the pro account, because when you get the brand kit, you can actually save your brand colors in here. And so here's my color palette. So I'm just going to take this and rebrand it. And so you can do this with all your colors and your fonts, for example, and make it how you want to make it, for example. And so you can do that with everything. You know, I could change this to K Perry Media Inc., which is my company. And I could, if I want to have the date there, for example, say February 15th, 2021. And then, you know, whatever, I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to just change it to one of my brand colors. And then I'm just going to leave it. But you can basically do this for all your slides, which is pretty cool. Okay. And make them your own. Okay. So you can go through, and again, if you don't like a slide, like say you're like, nope, this one doesn't really make sense, you can delete it. If you want to add in a page, you would just do this little button here, and then you could select the template that you want to use there. And so you can just go down and rebrand, add in your own copy and text. You can see there's all these little visuals in here, which I really like. This is actually a really cool slide template. And then you can just name it here. I'm just going to call this YouTube video tutorial slideshow, just so I can find it. Okay. Okay. So the next thing you can do, which is very cool, is you can actually add in presenter notes. So obviously if you're giving a slideshow live, you will want to have notes to refer to, or maybe you're recording an online course or some sort of online digital product. And so you can write everything you need to write in here. And I will show you where this shows up once we go to the running of the slideshow. So you could just say, you could literally write, you have 2,000 characters here. So you could literally write everything you need to say here, and then just hit save. And you can do that for each and every slide, which is super cool. So you can go through and add in all your notes and basically build out the entire slideshow in Canva. And then when it comes time to run the slideshow, what you can do is you hit this button here that says present, and then you want to click presenter view and then hit present. Okay, so this right here, and so this will obviously work best if you have two screens, right? And so you can put this on full screen mode. So let's say that I have two monitors here. So I can drag this onto the other screen that I want people to see. And I just say enter screen share mode. And now everyone will be able to see this. And then I'm just gonna go out of this. And then, so I can have this on one screen, and then I can actually have this on my other monitor. And so when I hit this, this will actually happen in the full screen. So it'll actually, I can control it from this presenter view, and you will see to the right side here, all your notes there. And so I can go through this. I can see what slide I'm on. I can see what slide is coming up. So this one, for example, and I can see all my notes here. And then my slideshow is being shared on a different screen. And of course, if you're using something like Zoom, in case of like a live webinar, you just make sure you share the screen in which your full screen is on. And then you just basically run through the slideshow. And as you can see, it'll just show up. This is my full screen. It'll just move along with it, which is very cool. Okay, now some people get tripped out by this timer. This is literally, I think it's there just to time yourself, but you can totally ignore that. Sometimes people are like, what does that mean? Does it mean I'm gonna run out of time? What's gonna happen? But no, that's just, I don't know why they have that there. So you can just ignore that. And then when you're done, you can X out and then you're back into the slideshow. So very cool function with Canva. And as of now, I run all my slideshows through Canva. I don't put them into PDF or slideshow, PowerPoint, Google Slides, Evernote, anything. I just run everything from Canva, and I find it incredibly easy and very streamlined. So I hope that helps. All right, so I hope you found that tutorial helpful. I've done a few other Canva tutorials, so make sure to check that out on my channel. I also link to the other Canva tutorials below this video. And if you like this video, you can let me know, give it a like, share it with someone who you think it will help, leave me a comment. I answer them all, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. So I hope you build an amazing slideshow presentation, and I will see you in the next video.